pathetic that your last hours will be spent doing Waller's dirty work.
Pretty sure that when it comes to ganking super jerks who've had their brains blended, everyone's on the same page, Brucey!
Set a new professional.
At least I'm not in a cage. Sometimes it is the small pleasures.
Flying and shooting. I'm surprised the jetpack hasn't killed you yet. That jetpack wears you long, not the other way around. Your deaths are inevitable. Justice will find you in the end.
We've been delaying the inevitable for a while now. You know, feel the target painted on my back anymore.
And besides, the justice system is broken. To have justice, you must have a governing body mediated by a moral majority.
Really stuck it to him, Sharko.
But Luther is. So the informant was another Luther. And he's using you.
Check it out, Luther. We bagged the bat.
Leave him on the medical station. Be careful. I'll need a clear brain scan to set the baseline before the more invasive procedures. Now, let's begin. That'll be all.
You've already lost, Luther. I am vengeance. I am...
Hey!
Ah!
This was made for a pro. Good thing I'm handling it. Ooh, good gun feel on this one.
All right, Lex is gonna need some time, and we ought to tool up before we go for soups.
We may need to undertake several Argus missions. What should we tell Waller?
Mate, what she doesn't know won't make her hurt us.
Waller, bad news. No Batman. Place was a trap.
Keep searching. I'm working on Plan B. Waller out.
Going up!
Another Earth. Another us. Awful existential around here lately.
Let's see what we're working with, Deadshot.
I am unfazed.
No kidding.
I do not jest. I am invigorated by the prospect of countless realities.
Superman.
TFX, while you're out there using your initiative, or whatever the hell it is you're doing, clear out this bug farm.
Poison your mind. Whatever he's done to make you turn against us. Whatever lowering impulses spur these destructive acts, I would ask you to take a moment to look inside yourself. This isn't you. Fight him. Fight the corruption. For years, you have been Metropolis' greatest guardian and a friend to all who live here. You protected us, supported us, inspired us, and helped us grow. You have been a beacon of bravery and strength, a role model to children and adults alike, and the most compassionate and empathetic man I have had the privilege to know. I don't know how Brainiac did this to you, but behind the corruption, I know some part of the old Superman must still exist. Please, find him again.
can clear it out. 5 minutes tops. Targeting the bug farm. Back me up.
All need to fight for us until the man. We owe you a debt that can never be paid. So we need to ask one last favor of you.
Have to drop this incubator shield. Take out the crystals.
Stop what you're doing and return to us. We need you now more than ever. Please fight for us. This is Lois Lane. Signing off.
Recycling keeps the oceans clean.
Took my jetpack offline.
Got him! Deadshot is injured!
Squaring off with the shark's target. To this incubator shield. Hit the crystals. Taking down shields one crystal at a time. Bring you down. Boost my shields up. Guns up, people! Let's ice this incubator! Fuck, my brain freedom. Incubator's clear. Now take your best shot! Don't know how incubators work, but I can break them. Clear. Let's go all in.
At first, I thought you were a pack of screw-ups who never get results. Now I see, you do get results. Require your presence at the LexCorp lab as soon as possible. Luther out.
Wow, no science genius talk this time. Think he's mad at us?
It seems everyone is mad at us.
Chuck, that is so true. And I wonder why we turned it.
Boosters engaged.
I'm ready for you, Task Force X, and you are within operating parameters to battle a metahuman.
Let's go.
Rising high at Sun-Kissed Tower.
Would you like some beer? There's a lieutenant nearby.
Take down this enemy squad. Need that bug in the open.
Their advanced crystal technology. Threats for our wanted destruction.
High value bug target. Real high value.
You squashed that sucker. Hope it's a...
Pushed it into the red.
Oh, buddy of mine, tough Superman. Fire.
Let's see if we can bump you up to worlds number 2, assassin.
He's the one with the sound gimmick, right?
That's the one. Of course, this is before he went straight, so to speak. Superman had superheroes. Sleep a week against pointless hypno sounds.
So how'd he screw it up?
Superman overheard his big plan from 2 cities away. After that, I decided to leave the game.
Message for the team Metropolis has taken to calling the Suicide Squad. Some of our greatest heroes have fallen, and only you remain. Meaning you're all that stands between defenseless survivors and the Man of Steel. I don't care who you were before this or what you did to end up on the wrong side of the law.
Took your time. The weapon against Superman is forged.
Are you ready to wield it?
Gather up, squad. Luthor made us glow sticks.
Using the mutagenic properties of Brainiac's corruption, I've synthesized a more potent vector for kryptonite radiation. I call this new metamaterial gold kryptonite.
Gold kryptonite. Ugh, that's so... What's the word like tacky, but for rich people?
Ghost.
Wait, so this ugly shit's supposed to kill the Man of Steel?
The gold kryptonite will dampen Superman's abilities. That should give you a fighting chance.
Hold on. Dampen him? A fighting chance? That's it?
The alternative is he obliterates every atom in your bodies as soon as he sees you.
Oh. All right, fair dues.
So where are we supposed to do this thing, people?
Actually, I have a suggestion. Centennial Park. I've dreamed of seeing my Superman broken before his own pompous statue. To have that dream realized with this Superman, it moves me.
Wouldn't be the weirdest shit I ever done in a park. Sure.
Harley, even you can't be stupid enough to think that you have a chance against Superman.
Our presence alone may not be enough to goad Superman into confronting us.
Know what I'm thinking?
Nope, not a chance. But whatever it is, I'm down.
Is it something violent? With a surrealist quality?
Lex 2, I'm gonna need you to discharge the patient into my care.
I'm done with him. Take one of my counterpart's cars. If Batman is going to Superman's funeral, he might as well travel in style.
We forgot the... Sorry! That looked expensive. Let's scream!
Don't screw this up.
Hey, whatever happens next, Waller needs to know we earned those commuted sentences.
Do not contact.
Waller, little update. We're gonna fight Superman. You see, I've invented this new meta material. It's called, boomerangium. Yeah.
What? How the hell? You know what? I don't even want to know. Good goddamn luck.
Hey guys, if you fail, I'll be stuck in the Argos intranet forever. So if you could not fail, that would be great.
Good pep talk, Hank. Thanks.
Your odds are better than 0.
Yeah, better than... Wait. How much better?
Oh, sorry. Yep. Breaking up.
Forewarned is forearmed, Task Force X. The SUV will be stalled and vulnerable until you clear the threat.
Not in a great position, Phil.
struggling to articulate your emotions as we, your pals, approach battle with your greatest hero.
Yeah, Mr. Shark. It's just, it's tough, you know? Good luck, team.
What's the big deal about Superman anyway? He's just a metahuman with a weird weakness to minerals. Even you four are weak to minerals.
You're right, Red. You can handle a spaceman in a cave.
Wow! Probably not. But have fun in your fight.
You're gonna die screaming at Superman's feet.
Why? What's up with his feet?
I don't know, man. We're 2 for 2 on killing your boys so far.
Ah! Love makes it work and pleasure.
You think you're a team now? You're herd animals, dependent on someone else to survive. Like you, Harkness. An illiterate alcoholic who's desperate for the spotlight.
And Floyd's a deadbeat dad. Sharky's a freak who'll never be a real boy, and I'm... What was it? Oh yeah, I never was too bright. Get some new material, jerk off. You know, Joker used to be real good at hurting people with words. But you, boop. Even when you're evil, you're still too good. You had a good run, Brucey. Flying around Gotham, punching bad guys, cleaning up the streets, causing long-term mental and emotional damage to everyone you knew. It's our turn now. After all we've been through. Oh. Bet you didn't think it'd be me at the end, huh, Bats?
Are we done with your bad stand-up routine?
Almost. But you always gotta end on your best joke. Time for us bad guys to save the world.
Hell of a bat signal. Huh. What's up?
Bat's got the last laugh after all. Oh, he would have wanted this. The real Batman, I mean. Remember his inspirational video?
His plan did help overcome Flash and Lantern. Should we have watched the segment on Superman?
What matters now is our plan. We're out here making it work. So, what's the plan?
How about we shove these gold kryptonite bullets right up his ass?
I don't think that's how we're supposed to.
One of the world's finest heroes. Snuffed out by this.
Mm-hmm. And you're next, asshole.
Sure. You can tell Wonder Woman all about it.
Not so funny now, is it, dickhead?
so easily. You should have spent more time working on your defense, Floyd. Sloppy footwork, Floyd. You're trusting Luther's toys, but he's never been able to stop me.
Superman's feeling it now. Keep the gold K coming.
This is what you get for wasting time with humans.
Let's break his damn defense. One more big push with the kryptonite.
I've survived the death of one planet, and I'll survive the rebirth of this one. But you? No one will remember you. I promise. Though you're surrounded, Deadshot, aren't you better than this? Brainiac thought he could use you, Deadshot, but I knew you weren't worth it. I always had a soft spot for people. Your blind loyalty, stubbornness, just animals, really. Four of you at your peak, just to land a blow on me with your little toy. All my life, I've moved heaven and earth to protect you. Now is when most people would start to pray.
I don't have time to enumerate all the problems caused by what just occurred. But the immediate issue is the solar energy will strengthen Superman and degrade the gold kryptonite's effect.
You're scared, Harley. It's okay. This'll all blow over.
He's starting to feel that kryptonite, squad. Stay on it.
Corpses do keep best on ice. When will you learn? There's more potential in the tip of my finger than in your entire race. Looks could kill, eh, Cap?
Asshole, please! Can't slow down now!
It's not just your family you're letting down, Lawton. It's your planet. Finally free of the burden of Metropolis. Be thankful your last sight is the real me.
Jetpack ain't melting his ice!
I know you love an audience, Harley. Here's some thunderous applause. This is where you run.
Damn thing's overheating!
I do enjoy watching you suffer. Cold, huh? Stopped you in your tracks.
You'll do well to remember to counter his attacks. It is the only way to get the kryptonite into his system.
You think I can hit a home run?
The gold K's hitting his bloodstream.
I could remake this world if I wanted to, but Brainiac needs a clean slate.
We're breaking him! Keep up the pressure with the kryptonite!
Just wait there. Hiding is pointless. Looks like you four are losing your cool. Let me help. Careful, you'll catch a cold. What goes up? Looks like you four are losing your cool. Let me help. Know your surroundings, Deadshot. Aren't you better than this? One wrong step, Deadshot. That's all it takes. Sloppy footwork, Floyd.
He's weakening! Keep loading him up with kryptonite!
Careful, you'll catch a cold. You should be honored how rarely I get to cut loose. I'm gonna savor every second I spend on disassembling. You might want to hold on to something.
Frozen! Damn it!
You're beyond saving. This whole planet is beyond saving. You're just raw material for Brainiac to mold into something that matters. I'm not heartless, Harley. Take a breath in the calm before the storm. It's over, Deadshot. You die today. Stopped you in your tracks.
You're moving around so
You're out of your depth. Your future belongs to me. This... Don't worry, Lawton. Zoe won't miss you. All my life, I've moved heaven and earth to protect you. Now is when most people would start to pray.
I don't have time to enumerate all the problems caused by what just occurred. But the immediate issue is the solar energy will strengthen Superman and degrade the gold kryptonite's effect.
And now I get to
The gold pay's hitting his bloodstream.
Honestly, Boomerang, I was just trying to knock your stupid little hat off. This works too. It's time for a paradigm shift. It's time for you to die. One wrong step, Deadshot. That's all it takes. Your reflexes are slipping, Harley. You used to be so light on your feet.
Dropping out.
Do have a role in Brainiac.
The kryptonite's opening a hole in his defense. Keep going.
How painfully is up to me. I'll be back in a sec. Don't wait up.
He's weakening. Keep loading him up with kryptonite.
If I seem cruel, let me reassure you. That's the intent. I do enjoy watching you suffer. It's cold, huh? It's time I knocked you on your ass, Deadshot. Don't want you stealing my thunder. Eyes on me, Shark. Blink and you'll miss it. Time to call on the forces of nature. Oh, can't. Just wait there. Hiding is pointless.
We're breaking him. Keep up the pressure with the kryptonite.
This will feel awful. Right side? Soon you won't feel anything at all. It used to frighten me how easily you break. But let me tell you...
Break his damn defense. One more big push with the kryptonite.
Let's see if you're as nimble as your glory days, Harley. Deadshot. Aren't you better than this? Sloppy footwork, Floyd. You might want to hold on to something.
Superman's almost down, squad. Don't save those cold kryptonite bullets now.
I don't think you can afford a setback. You're already on such thin ice. Let's see you put a bullet through this, Deadshot. If I seem cruel, let me reassure you. That's the intent. I always knew you'd burn out, Harley. I'll be back in a sec. Don't wait on me.
Off target? I don't believe it. Let's break his damn defense. One more big push with the kryptonite.
You do have a role in Brainiac's plan. He wants you to die. How painfully is up to me. And now I get to shatter you.
Come on, not now.
Flag him already. Didn't even
He's weakening. Keep loading him up with...
Finally, you're justifying Brainiac's interest in you. The violence you're capable of. I don't want to kick you while you're down, but I'm going to.
Looks like just the four of us sent your ass back to Krypton, Kal-El. Gonna stay tapped out this time?
I really hope he's dead.
Come on, live in the moment, Boomer.
Well, we only went and did it, you bloody beauties! We killed Superman! Hell, we murdered the whole Justice League! In self-defense, since they were all totally evil, yeah.
A titanic battle. A good, glorious battle. But one foe remains.
Does it look different to anyone? A little scared, maybe?
I do not think it can show micro-expressions. Like me.
It would have done something by now, right? Hey! Scream now or forever rest in peace!
I'm calling it Task Force X 4. Justice League and Brainiac 0.
Ah! Do you feel it? The swell of pride for what we have accomplished together.
Oh, I don't know how to feel about respecting you lot, but... Oh, it's choking me up. Shark, you're crushing me.
Sure feels like we've grown as people from killing all these people. You want a high five?
Know what, Quinn? I do. Up high.
Celebrating before the game is over. How human of you. Don't you know this is my game? I make the rules. Yes, you know who I am. Second level intellect. Fight or flight. I'm not letting you do either just yet. I want to show you what happens next. Let's call it a sneak preview. Perhaps you were too busy ending the Kryptonian to notice. But my invasion continues. The invasion always continues. New Kolu will be reborn. In your universe. In every universe. I'm making it a universal constant. And that brings me to you four. How did you defeat my Justice League? You four, with your chaos, your every fractal failure, your every inexplicable success. Pure, unpredictable, fascinating. The margin of error, I've got it. It's you. Well, I can't remove you from the equation now. There's too much to learn. Better to own you. I will unlock your full potential to serve me. Floyd Law. Your code, your attachment to your progeny. We don't need those. I will make you into the greatest assassin in the multiverse. Harleen Quinzel, such destructive potential, held in check by your friends. For me, you'll burn this Earth down. And why stop at one Earth? Connected to my intelligence, Nanaue, you'll have the knowledge you crave, as you devour all who would resist my enlightenment. And you, Digger Harkness, I'll give you what you've sought all your life.
What? I'd already started, so I followed through.
No need to thank me for my interdiction. We have more pressing...
Lex, send me back. I didn't get to hear what Brain Man was gonna give me.
He won't get the chance. Next time his gangly ass pops up, he's getting 2 in the forehead.
Brainiac will already be dead on account of my having devoured him.
Don't worry, boys. We're gonna shoot him, eat him, poop him out, maybe shoot him again. It'll be great. So, make it happen, Lex. We got an alien mastermind to murder.
Master minds. When Brainiac revealed himself, there was a multi-static response across dimensions. 13 Brainiacs. Even if you were to somehow defeat one, your fight is far from over.
We get to keep killing him over and over.
13 times the payback.
An eternal conflict.
This is beautiful, Lexi. We get to fly around the city doing acrobatic shit. The Justice League are all dead. Plenty of unsuspecting victims to blow up and get cool toys from. And best of all, Waller don't have a clue. Ugh, for crying out loud.
Did you four really think you were doing this on the down low? What did I tell you about playing dumbass double agents?
You're our daddy.
Goddamn right. And as for you, I might have missed my first shot at you, But I don't make the same mistake twice. I'm taking control of that phasing tech you used to pull their asses out of the fire. And then, I'm going to control you. Because in this world, I always get what I want. Boomerang, get him.
Not so fast, Boomerang. So predictable, Amanda. I already have a nanobomb implant. Ironic, as Luthor Corp made the nanobombs. And if anything happens to this Lex Luthor, the building goes with him.
Hold on a minute. This guy is Lex Luthor, too? We had no idea.
We can explain everything.
Go on.
We cannot explain.
When you're done visiting the science fair, get your asses back here. This Luthor's even slimier than the last one.
Ma'am, you're still on.
Oh, God damn it!
On the subject of neck bombs, I modded a teeny expansion slot into yours. Just enough room to take some extra hardware into the field. Check with me before plugging any old thing into your brain and spinal column, though. Okay? Deal?
Already fits my trigger finger.
Let's go show proof of life to Waller.